Welcome to Glow's Kindred Kitchen, and I'm Glow. Right now it's spring, and this is the time of year when we get asparagus in. And I have found this at our local store, and it was just really nice asparagus. The tops are tight, and so I brought it home. And when you purchase it, at least where I purchased it at, they had rubber bands around it so it was standing up straight. And when I bring this home, I always put it directly into a tall, narrow container, and I fill this up with water about halfway, just so that it's setting in water. And then I took the bag that I brought the asparagus home in and put that over the top and put it in my refrigerator. And actually, this has been in my refrigerator now for a few days. So we're going to go ahead and prepare this tonight. And I decided there's many ways to cook your asparagus. You can do it on your stovetop, steaming it. You can saute it, you can roast it, microwave it, but we have decided to steam it tonight. And I'll talk about the steamer thing that I had purchased. I found this actually at a used store. It looked like it had never been used. It actually has all the markings on here for measuring of water and everything on it. It's just a really handy little thing. And it has a basket that comes with it. So you put the basket down inside and you can steam with it. I even do my boiled eggs in it. It's just a really nice little item. So anyway, to get started, when you're preparing your asparagus, I always take it like that, and wherever it breaks off, that's the part that you really don't want to keep. You can use this for stock and stuff, and I probably will do that. That's all I have in this basket right now. But to eat it, it's kind of woody. So that's where I break it. And so from here up, it'll be very tender. And I just put that in a colander, and I'll do that now with the rest of them. Whoops. And it'll snap wherever it needs to. It's pretty nifty, actually. But by saving this for stock, it's really nice. You're not wasting. But this basket idea, my stepmother, Betty Lou, had given me this idea, and I'll tell you, it has really come in handy. Keeps everything organized for me in the kitchen. Cleanup's a lot easier too. But see how easy that is to just break these off?
Pretty easy, Miss Glow.
At least that one here, that was the bottom, and then this is the top. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and rinse these off. I'll just bring this over here. I'm going to move this stuff out of the way. I'm going to go ahead and turn on my stove. I'm going to put after it comes to a boil, I'll be putting salt in there to salt the water a little. I'll put the lid on this because this will help keep the heat in as it's coming to a boil as well. And we're just going to stack these in here to cook. To see how handy this little basket is, it's just there. So we're just going to wait for this to come to a boil, and I'll be back in just a moment to show you how I put it in and everything. Bye. Hi, welcome back. Well, our pot is already boiling, and I'm going to go ahead and put in a little bit of salt, about like that, about a half a teaspoon. And I always mix it up to make sure it's all good. And then all you do is you put this right down in it. And I'll turn this back up. It was like at a rolling boil there for you guys came back. So We're going to go ahead and put the lid back on. See how that basket went right down in there so nicely? And
It's good, Miss Flo.
there we go. You can turn it so that, you know, it's totally closed off. There is like a spout on here as well that you can, has holes in it to strain. But I just turned it completely off so that all the steam would stay in there to cook. And it takes about 5 minutes. So we'll be back in 5 minutes so you can see the end result. Bye. Hi, welcome back. Well, it's been 5 minutes since our asparagus has been steaming. And I turned my burner down to low, and we're going to go ahead and check it out and see how it is. The nice thing about this pot too is it has a silicone handle on here, so it's not hot at all. I always lift my lid away from me or anybody that's here. Put that right there. Now, I'm going to use a fork here to help me raise this. Oh, look how pretty those are.
Looking
Right
good, Miss
here.
Flo.
And when I take one out, see if they're done. Oh yeah, and put my fork right in it. So that's what they look like. If you can put your fork through that, you know it's done. They smell delicious. So again, thank you so much for coming in today, and I hope that this has helped you. And if you enjoyed this, I would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Bye.